So I was walking in the supermarket the other day and I saw these beautiful red tomatoes. And I thought of making a quick, foolproof tomato soup. So in today's video, we're gonna make a tomato soup. Tomato soup, one of the most popular, if not the most popular soup on the planet. It's super easy to make. There are a lot of variations. So today, let's do a fresh roasted tomato soup that's super easy to make and takes minimum effort. So let's get started to make this beautiful soup. Probably every country or even every city has a different version of this soup, but this is mine. So to start off with, we're going to use these beautiful wine tomatoes. They're super sweet and have a bit of tart flavor. So gonna take them off the wine, put them on a baking tray, add a whole head of garlic, some sweet Spanish onions. If you don't have sweet Spanish onions, you could also use red onions or some shallots. This will give the soup a nice sweetness, a natural sweetness. Drizzle your tomatoes and onions and garlic with some nice extra virgin olive oil, and then sprinkle with some sea salt into the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes till they're nice and caramelized and charred. Now simply just toss everything into a blender and blend at a high speed. Also make very sure that your blender is capable of handling hot soups and hot liquid before you blend. Now heat everything up, add your salt, pepper and sugar if needed, then pick some fresh basil leaves and just toss it into your soup to get a nice infused flavor. Gently heat your soup up. Now optionally you could make some croutons in a pan or in a baking tray. Just gently roast some nice cubes of day-old bread, season with some garlic powder and some parmesan, which is optional, and your croutons are ready to go. Now into a bowl with my fresh roasted tomato soup. You could also use a sieve if you want a more creamy, smooth consistency. I've chosen not to use a sieve to go for a more rustic look. On top with my Parmesan croutons. Another thing that I'm gonna add is my Scotch bonnet oil. This will give a light, spicy spicy flavor, just a bit on top. And then sprinkle with some fresh basil leaves. You could also use parsley or some thyme, or even some coriander. And there you have it, a quick, simple and easy to make fresh tomato soup. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video and this super easy recipe. As always, the whole recipe will be in the description box below. Till next time, bon appetit.